Hey, good morning. Good morning. It is Saturday, February 23rd. Just want to follow up. Thank you again for coming out to the webinar yesterday. I would like to follow up, on Thursday, the open house yesterday. I would like to follow up real quickly and show you how simple it is to use Bloodhound to come up with a pretty good little trade strategy with this JATS LRT lines indicator. And basically what the strategy is anytime you get outside a normal um, ATR level, you've probably gone too far anytime you get into this area, and you can be expecting for price to come back to the LR1 or the trend filter. Same thing when you're on top. If you're trading in here, it would probably come to the LR1 and or the trend filter. And you can see that this condition is better when the bands are sort of straight, sideways, horizontal, and the bands are more spread apart. So you can see that there is almost like a megaphone pattern. This is going up, that's going down, and down, down, up, up. So there's a divergence in the way the bands are sloped. So that makes this pattern much more effective. So it's super simple just to, tell Bloodhound, let me know when price is between these bands, and then give me a signal in the opposite direction going back to that midband. And then you can code that midband in Blackbird as your profit target, the LR1 and or the trend filter. So just to go back and show you that this is a good area, and when price gets into these areas, how it will turn over. So real quick on Bloodhound, I've got a template already set up for you, but you can identify the location by using a comparison solver. And in comparison A, you want the Heikin-Ashi close. You're telling the bar close, and I've got a Heikin-Ashi indicator bar on it, indicator. And then in B, you would put your JATS line indicator. You'd go up here to your folder, choose the JATS LRT lines, and then for upper 3, you would want a short, and the lower 3, you would want to go long. And the settings for 3 is at the 5, the 4 is at the 8, just so you know on the chart. So and what I do is I put an inverter on it, turn that signal around, and I put an extender on it to give it a couple of more bars to go, like sort of time traveling. And so this is what you'll get. So I've turned the bar around with that inverter. So it was going up, now it's going to come back down. So when you add your reversal, you'll start getting them, and then you can start filtering it even more. You can use stochastics, for instance, requiring it to give you a KXD or a crossover. And that would further refine out some errant signals. But other than that, every time you get within that area, you're going to get that reversal. So again, the super simple using Bloodhound to create these strategies. And here's a good one. And again, you put it in Raven or Blackbird to set up an exit at either the LR1 and or the trend filter, or run one break even and then the other, however you want to do it. The thing to be aware, here's another winner, winner. Um, if you're in a strong slope up, you're going to get some losers, because what happens is it goes back in the direction of that trend. So on this strategy, you want a very tight stop behind the pivot. So you're not, you'll get much more reward than you will risk on this strategy. So whatever losers you do get, you'd probably make up on the next winner. But be aware that if it doesn't work out, you need to get out immediately. Don't like back it up or something. The trade's either going to work right away or it's not. But it is a fun little strategy that you can use with this LRT lines and Bloodhound. So just wanted to follow up with you. Don't, feel free to add other indicators like the stochastics to help it, or RSI, or whatever, your CCI, or whatever your indicator of choice. So thank you again for coming out to the webinar. Let us know if we can give you a hand, pick up some indicators and templates, and check out the Bloodhound. You can get a free trial. Try it out at your own leisure. You don't feel obligated to purchase. And if you do decide to purchase, then come back and take a look at us and pick up maybe an indicator and some templates that are pre-packaged for you to get you started, a little starter package of Bloodhound templates. Thank you so much.